Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your HDFC Bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in hdfcbank.com and click on enter. Now at the top right corner you can find sign in button. Hover to it and select which account you want to log in. If you want to log into your HDFC online banking account, click on this link and then enter your user ID and click on this link if you have forgotten your user ID. Now click on continue button. After that, type in your password, or if you have forgotten your password or IPIN, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset your password or IPIN. You can also type in your IPIN here. Now click on this checkbox and click on login button to log into your HDFC Bank account. Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.